Alright, so this is like 15 minutes after the last update, and it's picked up a little bit more since then. The rain is whipping. The wind's just, it's getting more sustained than gusts. It's starting. It's definitely starting. I guess Hurricane Irma is like a Category 2 right now. Hit landfall down in like Naples or whatever. But the path is supposed to come straight for us. Northwest. Northwest, I guess. Alright, it's slowed down at this current moment, but give it 2 seconds, it'll be right back up to it. More branches are falling. I'm telling you, it is something to hear these trees going. I saw some footage of this hurricane when it hit, you know, Barbuda and some of the Caribbean islands. See some trees completely stripped of leaves. That's what got me scared. I don't think it's gonna be too bad once it hits here anymore. But, you know, still something scary. Maybe let's see if we can get another gust of wind coming through here. Well, not right this second, but that wind, you can see it out in the distance there. It's whipping here. Another little minor gust here. Alright, hopefully a little bit longer, I'll give you another update.